Hi, my name is Muno. I'm the Assistant Development Manager here at LifeStory, and today we are at Pegasus Bar Leat, an accommodation of 68 Think and Living apartments. LifeStory are focused on developing premium luxury retirement living apartments in some of the most beautiful places in the UK, especially ones that are close to the city centre. Down here in the basement, we needed a solution to install some EV chargers, which Vanadium recommended Easee charging points, where the metal conduit is great for adding future daisy chaining EV charging points for our residents. We wanted a design that was reliable, simple and smart, and Vanadium managed to deliver that here today in Bath with the Easee charging points.